Hello everyone, I am Devranjani from Gossipfunda. Welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we will talk about net error underscore clear text underscore not underscore permitted. First of all, what does this mean? We open so many URLs in our browser. In the Android application, Android Web View is used to open these URLs. It is a system component to display contents on the web, which is powered by Chrome. WebView is used to display contents on the web of a native application from an embedded browser. We can use WebView to see the content of a link inside any application. So, any information that is transmitted or stored without encryption is known as clear text. It is information transferred in an insecure URL. Clear text network traffic raises concern about eavesdropping and content tampering when applications use it to communicate with servers by any third party. User data and information could get leaked by them by injecting any unauthorized data. Cleartext usually uses HTTP URL which is not secure. So risk factors are there while using HTTP. HTTPS is a safer option for secure traffic. From Android 9, the cleartext facility by default is disabled. Any application which uses Android Web View to open URLs without HTTPS will throw an error. Why does this error keep coming up? The reason for this error is the fact that cleartext support has been disabled in your device due to security purpose. So when we try to open a website with an HTTP URL in Android Web View, this error occurs to let you know that WebView cannot access that website due to security reasons. The website that you're trying to open may be prone to attacks and can be hacked easily. So this error does not let you access that unsafe website. How to fix net error underscore clear text underscore not underscore permitted? The most convenient and easy way to fix this error is to use URLs with HTTPS. We should not use insecure URLs and use a website with an HTTPS URL. We should remove all insecure non-HTTPS URLs from our applications. There are a few ways to do it. We must log into the File Transfer Protocol or cPanel. Go to File Manager. In the root directory, generate .htaccess. Write the codes to the .htaccess file. Save the file. The PHP config file must be edited. The site and base URL must be updated. If you want to know more details about this error, please check out our Gossipfunda blog. The link to the blog is given in the description box below. If you have any queries, please feel free to ask in the comment box below. If you like this video, please give it a big thumbs up and don't forget to share and subscribe.